What's up guys, Shannon from SP88, just changing this airbag squib or comms unit. Quite an easy job. I'd say the hardest bit is getting the airbag off, and if you just stick a screwdriver through this hole, which is at the bottom, it would move a spring out of the way, and then you push the airbag upwards, not pulling it, but actually like pushing it upwards to like the ceiling, and then that's how you get it off. After that, it's straightforward. One little screw down there, but if you're doing something like this, you're supposed to know that already. Good luck.